Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To have lunch.
Lunchen.
To rest.
Rusten.
To exercise.
Sporten.
To cook.
Koken.
To have dinner.
Dineren.
To watch TV.
TV kijken.
To read a book.
Een boek lezen.
To go shopping.
Boodschappen doen.
To go home.
Naar huis gaan.
To go to bed.
Naar bed gaan.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.